Welcome to our channel. If you want to integrate your Ring doorbell with Alexa for voice announcements and smart home control, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect the devices. Step 1. Ensure your Ring doorbell is already set up and working properly with the Ring app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Tap the More menu icon in the bottom right corner of the Alexa app. Step 4. Select Skills and Games to access the Alexa Skills Store. Step 5. Search for Ring in the search bar at the top of the screen. Step 6. Select the official Ring skill from the results and tap Enable to use to activate it. Step 7. You'll be prompted to log in with your Ring account credentials to link your Ring devices to Alexa. Step 8. After linking, tap Discover Devices or say, Alexa, discover devices to let Alexa find your Ring doorbell. Once discovered, you can ask Alexa to show your doorbell camera on Echo Show devices or get doorbell announcements through Alexa-enabled speakers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.